Dear business leader, thank you for all the hard work that you do. Unfortunately, it's not enough. The manufacturing industry's best days are behind it. It's an unsafe and dirty environment. The jobs are low-skilled and low-paying, and there are no opportunities for learning and growth. There's no career path for young women. It's a place for men, and women aren't welcome.